Hello and welcome back to the PokeDesk. Hopefully you've seen two other videos before this one. If you haven't, I'm still having difficulties. I'm recording this one in a slightly lower quality to account for the video download size problem I'm having. That's the short of it. You want more information, visit my Instagram. There's a lot more on there. We're going to get warmed up with one entire pack of Fusion Strike. And the other EX tin, we finally got it. We got the one we needed. It is dented, and the promo is in there, all sorts of jank. So that's good. But those were our warm-ups. We have more top loaders than we've had the last few videos, but still not a ton because they seem to be just as hard to find as 151 products in my town. We're going to do the binder collection after that. Then we're going to finish it off with the Zapdos box. Again, hopefully you've seen the 151 UPC before this, but if I haven't figured out those videos yet, at least I know I should be able to edit this one. Should. Maybe. Okay. Can we get an Altart out of the only pack of Fusion Strike we'll be opening? Look at the code card, come on. It's not looking good. Yeah, Swampert Hollow though. No, not the ticket on that one. Let's get into our EX tin. I will get the promo out this time. I'm gonna need a cheat. I know I will. Okay. Yeah. For some reason these tins give me trouble. Let's see how easy this comes off with it having a nice dented corner. Oh, yeah. Not so bad. Oh, nice. The packs are in there nice and straight. Hoping nothing got bent. There is the code card for you guys. There is our promo. Let's see how beat it got. Actually, made it out pretty unscathed. Set that up in there-ish. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Alright, we got Astral Radiance, Silver Tempest, 2 Obsidian Flames, and a Scarlet Violet base. Start with Astral Radiance. And we'll see if those Obsidian Flames ones are damaged. Code card. Come on. Give me a trainer gallery. No. No dice. Don't have an Astral Radiance, pal. Okay. Start a new one. Alright, we are into Silver Tempest. Code card. Give us that Lugia. Oh, wow, I almost just skipped right over. I'm so used to Scarlet and Violet now. Just flying to the end. There it is. There it is. And Scarlet and Violet base. Hollows always get me on these, so maybe not. No, yeah, nothing. Alright, let's see. Bird. Wasn't sure I had Scarlet and Violet, but I did. Obsidian Flames. 2 packs next. Can we pull anything from this tin? Anything at all? Meh? No. No. Why do the borders on those... No Obsidian Flames. I'm starting to stack of that. Come on. Literally anything. We'll take anything at this point. Get into this next. We'll just not talk about that tin. Shit out. Almost knock over one of my bulk piles. We got a binder, which is probably going to be pretty nice from what I've seen. We'll get these out in a second. Look at the binder. Okay. Needed that. Yeah. It's actually a very nice binder. About the equivalent of my Ultra Pro one. Is that the brand? I don't want to get the wrong brand, but it's a nice one. About the same equivalent. I like it. Maybe I'll start a 151 binder and you guys can see it on Instagram. Or I won't. No idea at this point. What am I doing? Okay. Leave that there. Bam. I probably could have done that like 10 times quicker, but I kind of zoned out. I was admiring the packaging, if you must know. So we got 4 151 packs. Can we literally get anything today? Oh, that's such a nice card. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's 151 has been feeling like it's been like kicking me in the teeth the last few weeks. But that is the SIR Blastoise. Behind it is that really cool Ditto Hollow, but which is cooler? Come on. Oh man. No way. That is our first SIR from 151. We're pulling it today from the binder collection with the hair in the case. There we go. Damn. And the hair on the outside of the case either, apparently. Fine, we got a water type opening if I ever seen one going on. I was not expecting that, guys, so bear with me as I recover. Saw a dark border and I was like, no, it's gonna be tripping me again. Then we get the Charizard EX full art. Well, 151's coming around. I'll tell you what. I don't even know what to say. I'm so blown away right now. I'm like, I saw the dark border again and I was just like, wait a second. Damn. I don't even want to cover up the Blastoise. He's just... That's so sick. Alright, we still got 2 packs of 151. We are 2 for 2 at this point. Can we go 3 for 3? Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, okay. It just tripped me out through the camera. Through the camera, it looked like it was a darker port. That's what gets me every time. All right, we were due for one dud though. Come on, let's finish it strong though. Last pack of the binder collection for 151 is a god pack. No, I'm just kidding. I doubt it. Let's find out though. No, it definitely isn't. Beedrill. Yep. We have a couple Beedrill at this point. So now we're getting into the Zapdos EX collection that comes with an Electabuzz. Could have included a Zapdos from any other set to make it 3 Zapdoses, but we got an Electabuzz. It's just me nitpicking here, but let me know if you agree. Okay, there's that upside down. There's that the right direction. One card, 2 card, and a code card for you guys to get while I'm pulling this out. There is the extra large promo. Taking that away. Aha, you gotta be quick. Right. Then we get 4 packs once again. Throw this away as well. Seem to have ran out of room in my bag. Yeah. Seems to disagree with my attempts to throw things away now. Can disagree. Alright, we'll do our Electabuzz. Do we have a swirl? It's the only redeeming quality on these non-promos. No, we don't get a swirl. That figures. Oh my goodness, I forgot about holographic energies again. We're gonna have to go through that whole other box and make sure we didn't miss any holographic energies. Yeah. I don't know what to say. It's gotta happen. Yeah. Okay, so one momenta as we look for hollows. No, not there. Not there. Nope, not there. Okay, perfect. No hollow energies. We did not miss any. Alright. That is the sleeve, actually. Okay, yep. Alright, we got the Zapdos EX now. That is a promo for you. Put that in a sleeve. Partially cover up our Blastoise. Gosh, I cannot believe we pulled that today. Lovely. We'll just not look at the condition. Ah, man, Mr. Mime. Wait, did we check for an energy? I'm so terrible about the energies on this set. Okay, no energy. Try to remember for the last 3 packs here. We got 3 packs left of this opening. I think no matter what, we've done pretty good. We honestly had no warm-up. The warm-up sucked. But, and that audio probably sucked. Oh, well, let me just skip right to there. Oh, we do get the Psychic Energy Hollow with a swirl. That down there. Cover up more of our Blastoise. 2 packs left. Code card. What are the chances of 2 Articunos and another Hollow Energy? We get the Darkness this time. I'm just ready for our last pack because it seems like we got a dud box. Try and talk shit so we can get a hit. So don't be mad at me, guys. But yeah, feeling like we got a dud box deep in my soul. Let's find out here. This has been my normal experience with 151. It's like just a little bit of a kick to the nards. But let's see if we can continue that with this one. Ooh. Like, how did we get no art rares and another Arctic? How do you make that up? I pull 3 Articunos in a row and 3 Hollow Energies. All different Hollow Energies, but all the same Articuno. And the only art rare we got was an SIR from the other box, but not a damn thing from the Zapdos. So that's how it goes sometimes, guys. There is that. We'll go over our pulls here in a second. Let me just get this all sleeved up. What can you do? What can you do, you know? Okay, here we go. We have the basic energy, the fighting energy. We got the darkness energy. We got the psychic energy. All hollows, all with some sort of swirl action going on. We got the Zapdos EX promo and the non-promo Electabuzz that is swirlless. It should have a swirl. I don't know. It's still a cool card. We get the Charizard EX because this was from the cool box. And the Blastoise EX looking like a badass. This is honestly one of my chases, so I am very happy to have pulled this today. I bitch, but I'm very happy with this opening. Then we got the Quagvile EX promo from the box we got absolutely nothing from. I know, that's impressive. But come on. I mean, both those out of one collection box, the binder one, we will happily take that. Happily. If you liked the video, like the video. Come on. I mean, you got it. That's how you show you like it. If you really liked it, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye now.